My name is Uli Henningsen. I'm from a company called AMPLEXOR. I'm based in Hamburg, Germany. And my background is actually a technical background. I've studied computer sciences, but somehow I made it into sales, so today I'm a sales guy. Well, yes, I heard about the Adobe and Nordic Tech Comm because I was invited as a speaker, but also because AMPLEXOR is a sponsor of this event, so we are part of this event. I always learn from this event. So today the event was a lot about FrameMaker. I've never used FrameMaker, so I learned a lot about FrameMaker and technical documentation and the needs of customers, so that was quite interesting for me as well. Yeah. Yeah, the new things I learned about FrameMaker is that I didn't know, for instance, that the tool is able to publish content directly to servers as HTML. And yeah, that's one aspect, and it's really a powerful tool with many functions, so you can change templates, layouts, and any thing like that. So quite interesting, yes. Well, the best part of the event was, I think there was a presentation about augmented reality from AMPLEXOR. No, hard to say. I liked the last presentation very much, where a guy showed how to publish technical content to apps and how much more easier the content was to read on the app. So that was a good practical demo and presentation. Yeah. Well, we have access. Actually, we do also FrameMaker projects in Europe. I'm not part of that as AMPLEXOR, but yeah. So no purchase.